In front of me is OPPO A80 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue. Then tap on Continue again, hit while using the app and tap on Allow. Close an ad, and last but not least, after operating all of those options however you want to, hit Set as Default and tap on Launcher Pro. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, access the same app, hit Set as Default, and tap on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!